Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be drawing an owl. Start by making 2 large black dots with your black crayon. You want to space them out quite a bit. Make sure your hand fits in between both dots. Next, make a circle around each dot, making sure to press down nice and hard. And then draw another circle around each to make the eyes. Now we will draw an oval around the eyes to form the head. Then add an upside down triangle for the beak. For the body, we're going to make a big letter U with a smaller U inside. Let's give our owl some ears. Make a zigzag line with 3 points. Now we'll make the wings by making a curved line with 3 bumps. Inside the smaller U, I'm going to create some feathers by making some bumpy lines. The last detail for the owl are the feet. I'm going to create another zigzag line with 3 points, 1 for each foot. Now let's add some background. I'm going to make a tree trunk along the side and then a branch for my owl to sit on. You can add some leaves. Let's add a full moon and draw some circles inside for the craters. I think I'll add some wiggly lines on my tree to give the illusion of bark. Now I'm going to switch to my yellow crayon and make some little stars up in the sky. I'm going to make an X with a line through it. For the rest of the color for this project, we'll be using the watercolors. Start by waking up your paint. I'm just adding a little water to each of the paint colors. I'll be starting with brown, so I'm going to gently tickle the paint. For this project, we're going to be using the earth colors, which are the warm colors, red, yellow, and orange, and then brown. Make sure your brush always has plenty of water. If your line starts to get a little scratchy looking, that means your paintbrush is thirsty. Keep adding plenty of water, and you never want to dig your paintbrush into the paint. That will waste the paint. And sometimes I see students twisting their paintbrush into the paint. That's not good either, because it'll ruin your paintbrush. Now I'm going to switch colors, so I'm going to rinse off my brush. I'm going to use a bright color for the eyes. I think I'll use yellow. I think I'll use a little orange for the beak. Now I'm going to add some warm colors for the feathers on his belly. Remember, the three main warm colors are yellow, red, and orange. But this paint set has some extra warm colors, like yellow orange and red orange. You can also use those. Do you remember what is in your crayons that pushes the paint away? That's right, wax. You can see the black lines are resisting the paint. I'm going to keep my paintbrush up on its toes so I can get into this small area. Now I'm going to go back to the color brown and fill in the rest of my owl. I think I'll use some yellow for the feet. And then maybe some orange for his wings. Just remember to stick mainly to the earth colors. I think I'll use green for the leaves, though it's actually not an earth color. The last step is to use black to fill in the sky in the background. Again, don't forget to use plenty of water with your watercolors. You want the paint to go on nice and clear. And since the yellow stars were drawn with your crayons, the wax in the crayon should resist the paint. There, I think I'm done. I hope you have fun creating an owl with your watercolors.